Hi there, welcome to CADLink for Acumatica. Today, we'll be covering how you can integrate your engineering CAD, PDM, or PLM system with Acumatica and the benefits of doing so. So let's begin. CADLink is an Acumatica certified application for integration between engineering and ERP. It is a bidirectional tool used to create, compare, and modify bill of materials and inventory item data at the click of a button. By using CADLink, you can eliminate clerical work and increase utilization of your skilled engineers. Synchronizing your bill of materials and inventory items with your CAD data will reduce errors and inaccuracies. Doing so will also ultimately prevent unnecessary downstream costs from scrap parts, shop floor confusion, inventory errors, and purchasing inaccuracies. Here, we have a multi-level assembly open in SolidWorks. Now, let's say you're an engineer who has just finished designing this item, and you're ready to enter the BOM into Acumatica. You can launch CADLink directly from your CAD interface through this add-in. Then, CADLink will compare all of the components and their properties like item number, description, and quantity with the corresponding items and BOMs in Acumatica. The results are going to be shown in this color-coded BOM grid. As you can see, CADLink has maintained the multi-level BOM structure of the CAD assembly. The differences between the CAD assembly and the ERP data are all color-coded. All of the map, CAD, and Acumatica fields are visible from one interface. Let's talk about the colors you see here. White rows represent components from your model that already exist in the ERP item master. Green represents components from your model that do not exist in the Acumatica item master yet. CADLink will create these items for you automatically using your CAD data. You can choose whether CADLink will create a stock or non-stock item, fill out individual Acumatica fields, or even set these fields from a default or template. Yellow indicates a discrepancy between CAD and ERP for that particular field. By right-clicking, you can see both the CAD and ERP values. You can select which one you'd like to use or type in a brand new description. CADLink is bidirectional, so this new value will be saved to both your Acumatica item master and back to your CAD properties. Gray represents materials that will be removed from the Acumatica BOM because they are not found in your CAD assembly. Items can also be manually added to the BOM, which show up as blue rows. You can search the Acumatica item master directly to add items such as paint, glue, fasteners, and so on. CADLink will validate your data for you and will highlight any issues in red. For example, this new item is missing a description, which will be highlighted in red until you fill it in. Similar to the yellow highlight, this description will be pushed bidirectionally to both CAD and ERP. CADLink can also read your raw material information from CAD to add materials to the BOM in Acumatica. Even though this plate is a single component in CAD, CADLink knows that it is actually a manufacturer part that has a purchase material below it. Operations are also assigned from the CADLink interface to create a full bill of manufacture from the CAD BOM. Here on the right, you can see the full bill of manufacture. You can add operations and select a work center individually here, with the simple drag and drop to move materials between work centers. As you select a work center, you can see that CADLink automatically loads default values from Acumatica based on which work center you select. The BOM Changes tab is a read-only tab that lists all of the BOM changes that CADLink will make in Acumatica after you press Save. This helps you review the short list of everything that will be changing in the ERP. The CAD Properties tab is another read-only tab that allows you to view the properties from your CAD model without having to navigate to each model. This makes it easier to view the original CAD data without having to go back and forth between CADLink and your CAD system. Finally, we have the Messages tab. Here, CADLink is making sure you only save valid data to the ERP. For example, you find more information about why a field is highlighted in red here. Once all of the messages have been cleared, CADLink will re-enable the Save button. When you save the data, CADLink will create and update all the necessary data in Acumatica. If you use Acumatica engineering changes, you can also have CADLink create an engineering change instead of updating the BOM directly. This allows you to leverage more of Acumatica's functionality while still taking advantage of CADLink's capabilities. CADLink is a powerful tool built by engineers for engineers to replace manual data entry with the click of a button. You'll get time back in your day for more interesting and valuable work like new designs and projects. Not to mention help downstream users who rely on getting clean, accurate BOMs as soon as possible to do their jobs. With all the benefits to engineering, purchasing, and production, CADLink is a no-brainer for manufacturers using CAD with Acumatica.